Hi, welcome to the 24-hour vending machine challenge.
Right here, and we're gonna spend 24 hours in the auditorium and see what goes on. And we have Cesar behind the camera.
Hello. That's me.
Oh my god! And then end it there.
Yeah, you know, when I was getting the food from the vending machine, I just thought, God, dude, this is gonna be disgusting. I can't survive off of Rice Krispie treats the whole time. Then I tasted it. Jesus, was I wrong?
Yeah, when we started this challenge, I was like so excited. Like, honestly, it's just like, you know, eating cinnamon toast pita chips, delicious.
When I first started this challenge, I was a little weirded out. I was like, 24 hours in a auditorium, it's gonna be a little weird, a little creepy. But I was like, it's okay, because I was like, I got Cheez-Its. And in the end, I think it went okay. I think it's gonna be very well.
You're looking here, and you're talking about the vending machine food that you got.
Oh, yeah, I mean, I guess it was decent. I was still hungry though.
Are you guys ready to enter the Jones Auditorium?
Yeah, man, we're ready.
We're about to start. Let's go 24 hours, guys.
No food or drink?
Let me get a little timer.
You thought, wait, are we getting a timer? Okay.
24 hours, go.
Okay.
Alright, so we're in the Jones Auditorium right now. We haven't been here in a long time. It may be haunted, we don't know. Hayden, anything to say?
It's dark, it's
Yeah.
cold,
It's damp.
it's moist.
Let's start eating. Wow, this food is so good. Yeah. Duck. 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 Duck, I'm gonna get ya. Duck. Crunch.
Did you hear that? What is that noise? Wake up, Eric. Hello? Hello? Guys, it's 3 a.m. I thought I heard something and Caesar hasn't come back. Dude, wake up. Dude, I swear to God, I think I heard something.
Mingus.
Oh, yo, no, wake up, no!
No. What are you doing? What is that? Oh, Hayden, no. Hayden.
I'm sorry, dude, I can't.
Hayden, no.
I'm
What?
hungry.
What?
I can't do this vending machine.
What?
Food. Rachel was taking. I'm done.
What?
I'm not leaving. I'm sorry.
Hayden. No. Damn. There's a door there, what?
Hey.
Just go.
Where am I looking?
You're looking here, and you're talking about the vending machine food that you got.
I think you have to hold it.
No, you screw that onto that. Yeah.
He's talking about you just have to hold the camera.
Oh, you
No, the button. Yeah, when we started this challenge, I was so excited. Like, honest, dude, hold the fucking
It's still recording.
record button.
To be in the front. Wait,
what?
I said she should be in the front.
End the video.
How big is
Bro.
it?
Bro, snap out of it. Say something
So like, what kind
Say something in the video.
of city is? What country?
And
Like,
the
city
video.
is?
Yeah.
Big?
Yeah.